Health Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh has condemned the attack on Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and the police during the recent Tura violence. Talking to reporters today, she said that the attack and the display of anger at Tura is something which is unacceptable. She further said that she is privy to information which says that there is a political party which is denying its involvement directly in all of the display of anger by certain quarters of citizens.
I feel that the attack that we saw, the display of anger that we saw in Tura on the 24th is something which is unacceptable. The attack on the police force is one part of that attack. Then the attack on the Honourable Chief Minister is another very big concern. I am also privy to information which says that there is a political party which is denying its involvement directly in all of those display of anger by certain quarters of citizens.